Hi guys, welcome to US Educate Academy. Thanks for connecting with us. Today in this video, we are going to see how to create a Facebook page in 2022. And this is a step-by-step tutorial, and make sure not to miss any of this stuff, and enjoy this video until the last moment in order to create and brand a successful Facebook page. And I will be using simple steps to build it. So now let's jump into it. So first of all, I'm going to open my browser and I'm going to search for facebook.com, and this is my Facebook, and I need an account in Facebook in order to create a page. So at the I can see a menu in this panel, and I can navigate to the pages section, and now I'm going to click on pages, and here it shows my pages and profile I manage, and this is an existing page that I manage, and I have created this page, and so now I'm going to create a new page. So in order to create a new page, I'm going to click on create new page, and this will ask me some information, and I can enter my page name as tech marketer. So I can enter this, and this page name is successful, and we can use this name, and I can select a category. So now I'm going to enter tech science information technology company, and I can enter marketing, and also so no need of entering marketing, and now I have successfully entered my page name and the category, and page name and the category, as you guys can see, this displays the page name over here and the page category, and I can enter a description. We provide all tech updates, and I can enter a long one or a short description, and the limit is 255. So now I'm going to click on create page. So it's loading, and I can view in the font view too in this, and now it says me to add the profile photo, and this is optional. I can skip these steps too. So now I'm not gonna add. If I click this profile picture, I can add a profile picture for this, and I can add a cover photo through from this, and all notification about your page we can turn off or on. So now I'm gonna just upload a profile photo for this photo because it's small, and but I have created my page successfully, and here it asks me the Facebook page. So now I'm gonna just ask me to link the WhatsApp, and it's asking my WhatsApp number. So now I'm gonna avoid this step, and I'm gonna click on leave, and so now as you guys can see, we have successfully created our Facebook page, and we can add a button by clicking on, and we can select the follow button, which where when users visit your page, it will show show your user as follow, and we can create a username for our Facebook page. So I'm gonna enter tech marketer, and this username is allowed and I can use it. So when I click on create, this will create my username, and this username help viewers to identify uniquely when we search in Facebook and many application, and this will shorten your link. So I can show you a demo of this, and the link is very too long in this. The profile link is too long. After I create my page, after I create the username, I can manage the link to become the username, and the top level domain will show, and you can create post by clicking on create post, and you can upload posts from this section. And in order to successfully create this page, we need to complete some steps, and we should introduce our page to the people around the world, and we should provide information such as our website, location and business, and we can provide the identity. So I have provided some, and I don't have a cover photo to provide, and now we have successfully created a Facebook page by providing a title and username and the category and icon, and we can customize this uh, more efficiently, and we can drive audience to our websites and web applications, and and we can increase the application downloads by creating such pages. And that's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe US Educate Academy YouTube channel for more video tutorials and technology related ideas. See you.